Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Buick Lacrosse. Begin by verifying your Lacrosse has remote start capability and that the key fob battery is charged. Stand near the vehicle and test standard remote functions like lock and trunk release first. If those fail, check fuses and vehicle settings or consult the dealer for module programming. This approach saves time and avoids unnecessary parts replacement. To use the key fob method, stand within range and press lock once, then press and hold the remote start or circular arrow button for 3 seconds. Wait for the vehicle to flash lights or cycle locks to confirm the start. If nothing happens, swap the battery and repeat the sequence. For aftermarket systems, consult the install guide for the exact 2-step pattern and safety interlocks before attempting remote start. If remote start fails, scan for diagnostic trouble codes and resolve any engine or alarm issues first. Verify safety interlocks like the hood latch and brake pedal switch are operational since they can block remote starting. Inspect associated fuses and wiring for damage. When programming errors persist, a dealer or certified technician can use specialized tools to reset or reprogram the remote start module and restore proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.